today I went to Chad's house. He wasn't here the first 3 hours because he went to summer school. But then he said it was fun. I don't think so. And then I watched movie, and I brought Daddy's laptop. And then I played Monopoly, and I beat him. He got bankrupt. I know, it's impossible. I never played a full Monopoly game before. He tried to buy every single house and ended up getting bankrupt. So, whatever. So, today is the stuffed animal blog. First of all, each name starts with B. This one, Baby Minnie, Boober Krusty, the Beijing Nini, the Bulldog, Blue Foo Foo. Isn't it cute? Baby Moo Moo with the broken neck, broken front neck, broken neck, another broken neck, with blue horns. So much bees, huh? This one's easy. Bernie. That's his name. This one is named Barfield. This one is the big pink elephant that I won from the LA County Fair. Yeah. This one name is Elmo. No, Belmo. Oh, this is Best Elmo. And this is Best Momo. Yeah, I love this one. Beanie Baby. The baby elephant from the children's clinic. This one is the Booby Cat Mouse. A cat dressed in a mouse suit. Here's the bulgy-eyed fish. See, look at its eye. It goes boo. I'm gonna break it. This is the Beijing Bei. The Beijing Ying Ying. Another Beanie Baby. This is the Mother's Day one. This is Bei Jing Jing. No, Beijing Jing Jing. This is Beijing Huan Huan. See, I love this one the best. It's the most awesomest. And this is the Big Piggy. This one I got from Daddy's friend in China. Isn't it so cute? Look at his bulgy cheeks. And then we got this baby elephant. I got this for my birthday. It's so soft. This is the Bombardello. It's from Bexus. And this is the Cupid. You want to hear its song? 1, 2, ready, go.
I'm too sexy for my shorts. Too sexy
It's butt moves. Yeah.
Sexy and hard. And you're too sexy for your body. Too sexy for your body. You really got me dancing. I love you.
Okay. And this is the blue eyeshadowed dolphin. See? You can see its eye shadow. It's blue. And this is Barora. It's supposed to be, see, it's a shade of blue. And then this one, Baby Mickey, married to Baby Minnie. It's so cute.